Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary. Yes, it's binary time in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 12th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. Well, this seems a 3 stars and this seems a 2 stars. So 2 puzzles are left, the tectonic and the binary. Yes, it's binary time, and this will be number 5781. Yes, 5781. And before I start, I always count or print the digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 17. 17. 17. 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one. Here no, there no. Double one. Here no, there no. Then between 2 O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Then. Well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between in this column. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. Okay. Double, here one, there one. Then. Yeah. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Yeah. 3 ones. 3 O's. Oh, 4 ones we have here. Overlooked. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Okay. Interesting. Well. Then, time to compare. Well. No, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So that box should be an O then. Alright. 3. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Overlooked. Between 2 ones comes an O. Well, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Well, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Well, I cannot compare the columns because we have 3 boxes. So the rows then. Do we have a double 1 here? Nope, it's not the same. How about here? Double 1 here? Nope, cannot. How about this one? Oh, double 1. Difficult. Well, let me look for the 3 ones then. Do we have here 3? No. Do we have here 3? Yeah. Yeah. Look to the ones here. We have here 3 ones. And look to the ones in the last column. Here we have a 1, the first one. Here we have a 1, the second one. And here we have the third one. Well, I cannot place the fourth one in this column there. Otherwise, we will have identical columns in the last, with the last column here. So this can be a 1. This should be an O then. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Okay, now I can compare. Now I can compare. Okay. But which compare the rows or the columns? I think I need to compare this column. Yeah. Well, look to the ones here with this column and that column. Here, first one. Then we have a second one, the third one, and the fourth one is here. I cannot place the fourth one there, otherwise we will have identical columns. So this should be an O then. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Completed in 6 minutes. Wow! You need to find and compare, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.